Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing more freebies that I got from BZZAGENT, and then also some random box that I received. I'm not sure if it's from BZZAGENT as well, or from Influencer, or from Pinch Me. I don't know. It doesn't say where it came from. This one is from BZZAGENT, and this one is from BZZAGENT as well. And this one doesn't say where it's coming from. So I'm super excited to open all of these. And I'm going to start off with a BZZAGENT products. And if you guys don't know what BZZAGENT is, it is a company that sends out free products for you to review. It is completely free, and you do not have to have a YouTube channel to receive free stuff. You only have to have an Instagram and a Facebook. They don't ask you for a YouTube channel. So anyone could receive this. You don't have to be an influencer or whatever. But anyways, I will have the link in the description box, so you guys could go sign up. So anyways, I'm going to start off with this one right here. So this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so this time it came with a card instead of a letter, and this one says, your buzz kit is here. Now what? Check your email for specific instructions, try the product, and share your experience. And here is the product that they sent me, and I'm super excited. Ooh, this bubble wrap is really nice. It's nice and bubbly. I'll save that for later when I'm stressed. Okay, so here is the product that they sent me, and this time they sent me the number 7 Radiance Plus 15% vitamin C serum. Brighter and glowing skin in just one day. Powered by 15% vitamin C, this potent treatment reveals your skin's natural radiance by improving the appearance of skin texture, tone, and complexion. Visibly reduces the appearance of uneven skin tone and pigmentation. Dual skin is left looking instantly glowing. And let me open it up so you guys could see the bottle. And I believe this is a full-size product. This one is 0.84 US fluid ounces. Oh, this is nice. So it is a dropper. That's what it looks like. And this is glass. So that's pretty nice. Cool, I'm super excited for this. Smells like oranges. Oh, obviously you can't smell it. But anyways, as you can see, it is a dropper and it is clear. So I'm going to be smelling like fresh squeezed orange juice. So anyways, I'm super excited to try this out, and I can't wait to see the results. And I will let you guys know if I like it or not. If I don't share it in a video, it's probably on Instagram. So if you guys haven't followed me there, I'll have my Instagram in the description box. Okay, so that was the first thing that I got from BZZAGENT. Now I'm going to open up this little box right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and once again they sent me a little card that says your buzz kit is here, and it tells me how to review the product. And here is the product, and it looks like it's also a full-size product, so I'm super excited about that. And this one is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. Removes makeup, sunscreen, and debris. That's cool. So I'm super excited for this. I don't think I've ever tried a Dermalogica cleanser before. Achieve ultra clean and healthy looking skin with double cleanse regimen that begins with pre-cleanse. Ideal even for oily skin conditions. And well, I have oily skin, so I'm super excited for this. And this is what the bottle looks like. It looks like a hand soap. And I'm going to open it since I am going to be using this tonight. It kind of smells like oranges as well, or I don't know, or lemons, I'm not sure, but it smells really good. And as you can see, it is clear. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it's just like a clear gel. So I'm super excited to try this out tonight. So I will also let you guys know what I think of this product. So anyways, thank you so much to BZZAGENT. I'm super excited to be trying out all of these products. Anyway, so that is everything that I received from BZZAGENT. Now I'm going to be showing you guys this random box that I got in the mail that I don't know where it's from. I mean, it says right here, raw indulgence, but it doesn't say who sent it to me. So I will be opening this up. And okay, so this is what it looks like inside, and it comes with a paper. I don't know why I said it like that, paper. But anyways, it comes with a paper, and it says RawRev. RawRev has a long history of supporting arts, creativity, health, environment, and other important causes. When an individual, organization, or event catches our eye, we love to connect. You caught our eye. Please try the enclosed RawRev products. Hit me back with any feedback at all. We are working on new formulas and always want to improve. We value your opinion. Thanks for doing what you do. So they just randomly send it to me? It's not from influencer or BZZAGENT or from any of those. And it says right here that I caught their eye, so. But anyways, I'm super excited that I received this for free because I had no clue they were gonna send me this. Oh, and it comes with this card right here. It says RawRev, $5 off your next order of $20 or more. Use code SAVE5 now. So here it is if you guys want to check them out. And this card is super cool. It's like hard. So they sent me nuts. And that's everything that's in the box. RawRev, no bad stuff, no kidding. Cool, so I'm super excited for this. I am allergic to like peanuts, almonds, and hazelnuts because I'll break out like a big old rash, but I'll still eat them. So anyways, I'm super excited for this. So thank you so much to RawRev. And I'm going to open it because I'm not sure which kind they sent me because it has like a bunch of different kinds of nuts and grains. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like, and it looks like they sent me bars. Protein bars. What are they trying to tell me, that I'm fat? Okay, anyways, I'm super excited for this because I am trying to eat healthier. But anyways, they are bars, and it says right here on the box, on the inside of the box. Glow is the new gold standard for protein bars with this unique array of features. High quality plant-based proteins. No soy or whey proteins. Nutrition and diet conscious ingredients, healthy proteins, fats, and fiber. Nothing artificial, real organic dark chocolate and raw superfoods. Moist, delicious, and satisfying. Cool, so I'm super excited for this, you guys. Whoa, this is a lot of them. They sent me 8. I believe it's 8 of them. And they're all different kinds. So they sent me the birthday cake, and this one is 13 grams of protein. These look so good. I feel like eating all of these right now. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. And this one is the creamy peanut butter and sea salt. And this one has 15 grams of protein. This one has peanuts. I'm just going to suck it up and eat peanuts because these look so good. And this one is a double chocolate brownie batter. This one looks so delicious. Okay, I can't wait to try all of these out. Okay, if the angle's different, it's because my battery died and I had to change the battery. So the next protein bar that they sent me, it is the peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. And this one looks really good as well. So I'm super excited for this. This one has 11 grams of protein. And they also sent me chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh my gosh, this one looks so good. And this one has 10 grams of protein. So I'm super excited for this. And this one is the crunchy peanut butter and sea salt, 11 grams of protein. And this one is the mixed nuts, caramel, and sea salt, 10 grams of protein. And this one is a peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt. I think they sent me 2 of these. And I also like that it tells you like how much fiber and sugar it has. So like this one has 3 grams of sugar and 13 grams of fiber. So this is going to be perfect for like after I work out or something. So anyways, that's all of the bars that I got from RawRev. And I'm super happy and grateful that they sent me all of these. And I can't wait to try them out. And I'm definitely going to be putting this on Instagram. So I'll let you guys know if I like them there or not. So anyways, thank you so much to BZZAGENT and RawRev for these goodies. I'm super excited to try everything out and also eat everything. Anyways, let me know in the comments below what have you guys received from BZZAGENT. And also let me know if you guys have heard of RawRev, and let me know what you guys think of the bars. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.